in India, which is independent. And we also take pride in manufacturing goods in India. Thus, we embarked on a mission to make in India. Introducing khul fans. Yes, the homemade genius for our Indian homes. These are manufactured at our new state-of-the-art factory that is right in the heart of Noida, spanning over 3 lakh square feet to produce these climate-friendly fans. Our khul fans are powered by BLDC technology that consumes up to 65% less electricity than regular induction fans and reduces our carbon footprint. From stamping to top and bottom housing, from molding to powder coating, everything is done in Noida. Our smart and stylish khul fans are fully manufactured, assembled, winded and tested in India. Certified with 5-star ratings from BEE and by BIS with ISI mark. Our team of world-class engineers are constantly researching and testing new sustainable innovations by developing modern fans that are made in India, made by Indians, made for India and the world, empowering thousands for a better future with best-in-class training for our workforce and service engineers, and to provide world-class on-site service to consumers, strengthening India's economy and contributing towards its GDP. With every fan we make, we save up to 65% electricity. India having nearly 120 crore fans. By using BLDC technology, we can save electricity worth rupees 2 lakh crore every year and carbon footprint of 40 power plants of 500 megawatts each. With every fan we make, we are creating a self-reliant economy for the nation. So, if India had to be one thing, we would want it to be self-sufficient. Let's make it happen together. Khul fans, the homemade genius for our Indian homes.
समय आ गया है घर के पंखे बदलने का और khul fans घर लाने का।